Hey guys, I'm so excited to show you this dress in today's try-on haul. Look at this gorgeous white mini dress. It's giving total summer girl vibes. The thin spaghetti straps and that flattering sweetheart neckline make it super feminine and chic at the same time. The fabric is so soft and lightweight, perfect for hot weather. It feels amazing on the skin and doesn't make you feel sticky at all. The corset-style bodice gently hugs your waist and gives you such a nice shape. Then it flares out into this cute A-line skirt that moves beautifully when you walk. It's short, but not too short. The perfect flirty length that makes your legs look amazing. Right now, I'm wearing it and I feel so confident and pretty. It's versatile too. You can style it with heels for a date night or with sneakers for a casual daytime look. White goes with literally everything, especially in summer when it makes your tan pop. This dress is definitely going to be a new favorite in my wardrobe. What do you think? Do you love it as much as I do? Drop a comment below. See you in the next try-on, sending you all the kisses.